Let's take a look at the search configuration. So I'm going to go to Search and Metadata, and then Search Pages. And in Drupal 7, I'll go to Configuration, and I'll go down to Search Settings. So first of all, the title has changed. In Drupal 7, it was Search Settings. In Drupal 8, it's Search Pages. The reason for that is that in Drupal 7, there's only one page for search, whereas in Drupal 8, it comes with 2 pages by default, and we can add additional search pages based on different criteria. Now, this is pretty cool. The options are a little limited. So let's say if we wanted to create a new content search, I'm going to select content and add new page. We can create a new page and we can change what factors into the content ranking here. So maybe in some searches you might want to weight newly created content, and in others you might want to just weight keyword relevance, regardless of when the content is created. Now you can still use something like views to create search pages that allow you to search against particular fields and display the output in a unique way, but this is still pretty cool. And contributed modules can offer alternative ways to create search pages as well, whereas in Drupal 7, there wasn't really an API for that. If we go back to the search pages configuration, you can see that the content ranking inputs appear in the global settings because there's only one search page for content, and there's no configuration for users. In Drupal 8, we saw that those inputs have been moved to the individual page configurations here. If we edit users, we don't get any content ranking settings here, but at least it's clear that these won't impact the user search, whereas in Drupal 7 that was a little ambiguous. Besides those changes, the configuration is pretty similar. In the active search modules in Drupal 7, we could specify which search modules were active and which one was the default one. In Drupal 8, the active ones are listed here, and you can set a default by using the drop-down button and picking Set as Default. In Drupal 7, the logging was turned on by default, but in Drupal 8, you have to click the log searches input here in order to create a record when people search.